Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, your girl Anne, and you are on to the Anne's World on YouTube. So if this is your first time of seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take measurement of a corset. Okay, yes, this is going to be a very detailed tutorial, so please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Also comment on what you think about this video. Encourage me guys, encourage me to do more for you guys, because I have a lot for you guys. All right, so encourage me to do more and more for you guys. So let's get straight into the measurements. Why do you need this elastic band? Or you need a rope, anything that you can grab your hands onto. So I'll be using this. So I'm going to tie this around my waist. Okay, not too tight. Okay, not too loose too. All right, so now after tying this around my waist, guys, I hope you guys can see from my head to somewhere around my top length. Okay, so guys, okay, so after tying this around your waist, for me, like for example, I don't take measurements on my clients if they don't have bra on. Okay, so you have to have a very tight bra on that can lift your breast up. First note, have a tight bra on that bra can lift up your breast or your bust. Okay, and firm it up. All right, so that is the first thing you need to know when you're drafting, or when you are taking measurement for somebody who wants to wear a corset. And the second one is wear a top that fits the body. Okay, so this is also important, because with this you can take any measurement like accurately, other than maybe, let's say the person is wearing something like a flare dress. It's not really like advisable to take corset on somebody who has flare around the waist. It's not going to be accurate. So if you have a client that is coming over to take measurement for a corset, please tell the person to put on a bra that can fit up, and also a dress that can sit well around the body. Not maybe, it might not be too tight like this, but a dress that will not like alter your measurement. Okay, yes. So after you tie this around your waist, for me, I know my actual waistline when I'm about to draft a corset. Let me just turn back and see. So you see this, okay, there is no bone around this side, there is no bone around this side. This is my actual waist. Okay, so I'm just going to let the tape measure sit around there. You can do this on your client if you want, but if you can't, right, it's no pressure. If you can't, just tie this around the waist. Okay, and let your client do like this, come like that, do like this, and come like that. So this settles really well on the waistline. It's funny, I know, but it's important. Okay, so after you get that, leave it there, don't touch it. Okay, so the next thing you want to do to your client is take the vertical measurement of your client. Okay, so I'm going to start from the nape of my shoulder, or at the highest point of my shoulder, let me see, to where my neckline, my cleavage. Okay, some clients want deeper neckline, some don't want their breast to show at all, some will do intermediate. So whoever your client is, you put it there and you ask the person, is this okay? Is where your neckline okay? Is your cleavage okay? No, please drop it. No, please let it come up. That is what I do for my clients, and when it comes out, they like it. Okay, so from there you target your bust point. So for my bust point, it's 10 inches. Okay, I'm not putting on a bra right now, which is not advisable. Yes, it's not advisable, because this will be able to lift up more if there is a bra. I'm wearing a bra. Okay, so for my bust point, I know if I'm putting on a bra it's 10, but because I'm not putting on a bra, it's 11 inches. You see, it will alter your measurement straight up. So you don't want that. Just put, let the client put on a bra that can lift the breast firm and nice. Okay. So you can do this in bustier too. When you're drafting a bustier, do the same thing. Let your clients, have their bra caps on. If it's not too tight, let them adjust the strand here, or the bra caps, the bra, strands. How do you call it? Yes, I'm confused. So guys, yes, that's it. Let them adjust it to raise their breast really firm before you do the next thing. So you go straight to your under bust. Okay. So from your under bust, now you come to where your waist is. So for me like this, my true waist is 17. All right, this is my waist now, 17. Okay, so this is my waist, 17. And then when you are drafting a corset, please, there is something you should note. You will need your stomach measurement, because your waist and your stomach is not the same measurement. Okay, everybody on earth has a body shape, and um, it varies. Okay, me, my stomach is bigger than my true waist. Okay, so stomach should be like somewhere like 4 to 3 inches below your waist. Okay, so my stomach measurement is 21 inches. Okay, so 21 inches, which is 4 inches below my waistline. All right, so please take the measurement of that one. And then now your top length. Okay, I want my top to be somewhere around here, somewhere around here. Okay, so you write all of those vertical measurements down. Please note that. And then when you come to the bust area, okay, you measure your bust round. Okay, so you measure your bust round. So for me now it's like 37. Okay, for my bust round. Okay, it's 37 for my bust round. And when I'm putting on a bra, it will definitely move up to 38, because the foam in the bra, okay, is going to change the measurement. So you see what I was talking about. And also your corset. Okay, you'll be adding a bra cap to it. So make sure that you do that when you're measuring, so that it doesn't change your measurement. It doesn't make it too tight. Okay, it makes it very accurate. Now from there you come to your under bust. You take your under bust measurement right under the bust piece. So when you take that, write it down. And then when you come to the waist, this is where the information all lies. So when you come to the waist, I have like 30 inches for my waist. Don't measure it too tight. Let it be able to move freely. Okay, so when you have 30, use this finger or this one. Okay, inside. Okay, that should be the only space inside your waist. Okay, this one should be the only space. This thumb. For me, it's like I'm measuring myself, so I'm using this thumb. But if I'm measuring on my client, definitely to be one of these, either this or this. Okay, so let it be the only like thing that is going to give you space around your waist. And then remember, if you're drafting a corset, you can you want to snatch your waist. Okay, so you have to take in either 2 inches off your waist measurement. So for like me, I have 30 inches for my waist, but because it's a corset, I'll do 28. I can do 27 or even more, 26. But before you remove more from your waist, you have to be careful, because the more you snatch, the more uncomfortable you feel. But there is a slight way that you can feel a bit comfortable. Okay, so let me show you that step. So let's just go ahead and measure our stomach. So measure your stomach. Okay, so when you get your stomach measurement, write it down. And then measure your top length, where your top is supposed to sit. Measure it around like I am doing. Okay, so that it can sit really well around that area. Okay, so once you have that, just write it down somewhere, and then take note of this. So you see, I did not measure here too tightly. Like I just want it to sit around my, very loose around my waist, because I'm going to sit down. You don't want your bony too tight and also your boning, piercing you here and there. So let it be free around the side because that is your top leg. It doesn't matter. So now when it comes to the waist, if I want to do more snatching around my waist, like let's say 3 inches snatching, now you snatch your waist, okay? Snatch your waist like that. Definitely you're going to need somewhere for that extra flesh to go to. Okay, so when you snatch your waist, you are going to do more snatching at your waist. You have to give way for your bust and your stomach area. Okay, so you can add like 1 inches to your stomach area if you want to do more snatching at your waist. So 1 inch. Just say I measure 34, 33 as my stomach area. I'm going to add 1 inch to that to give more room so that when I snatch, the rest of the flesh will be able to go around my stomach area. That will make me a bit more comfortable. Okay, so this is where Victoria Corset come in. You can see the way it's very snatched and the rest of the flesh, finding its way. Yes, so that is one trick you need to know. And also on your bust area, when you snatch, definitely it's going to come up here. Okay, so your under bust should be like tight, also tight because you need to snatch. But your waist is the most important thing. So you can give room to your under bust measurement. Definitely you're going to reduce that as well, but not too much like the waist. Now you can do 1 inch, you can do 2 inches if you want, you can do 2 inches. So if you do 2 inches at your under bust, you have to give room to your bust so that the flesh there can come up to your bust and so that you can feel comfortable around your bust area. You can be able to breathe in and breathe out well so that you don't collapse. Okay, wearing a corset is not easy. There is no breathing in couture, and it's true. If you want to look good, you have to be able to um, train how you breathe so that you don't collapse. So I think this is the useful tip I wanted to give you on how to on how to take measurements of your corset. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media. My Facebook group is so it, and follow me there. Let's share more ideas. If you're on Instagram, find Annie underscore Deborah and follow me there. And also my Instagram page, if you'd like me to make a dress for you, if you'd like to place an order on something, please find me on my Instagram page. That is the Ann underscore couture. All the information is going to be linked in the descriptive box so that you guys can check that out. And thank you so much. The next video, the next time you see me, is going to be me drafting a corset because I want the corset video to be also a bit lengthy so that you guys can understand every step along the way, just like I'm taking my time to give you this very detailed tutorial. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share this video to your friends. I know they will love it here. And also thank you so much for subscribing. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss anything I upload. See you. Peace out. Bye.